Hi guys, let's chop some veggies and store them. What I need, okay, we'll start with the cabbage. It's wrapped. I just bought it today.
At the break of day, whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark.
Here's our cabbage. Then now I'm gonna put it in the plastics. I don't know, it's time because hey guys, so the next is butternut. It's going to be a bit hard because it's very hard and I want to peel it first and then I'm gonna chop it, and yeah, so butternut's next. Do you like butternut, guys? I like butternut, so I'm gonna wash them first. Just to get rid of I don't know who touched it, so yeah. So we're gonna peel it. So it's up to some people. Before they peel, they just cut, then they peel. I prefer to peel it first. Because I feel like, let me see if that thing can't peel there. I have this thing to peel potatoes. Oh, it can peel butternuts. Ah, it's so sweet.
Floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of
I put some in the plastic. Next is what? Next is this. I'm not done with the butternut. I will still cut it smaller. The next one is moreco. What do you call it? Sweet potato. I heard it's healthy, that's why I bought it. Guys, I'm on diet. Let me wash it first. I wash before I peel and I wash before I cook. Don't come for me that I store it without washing it.
carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep.
Hey guys, so
The earth
we are done. We are going to put them in the fridge. I'm putting them in the fridge. For now, I'll put them in this one, and then as time goes, I'll put them in the fridge. Like, I still have a lot. Because we are on diet, so I wanted to wash these and chop them, but I'm tired. Doesn't to rest tomorrow morning. So I'll keep it for now. My green papers, and next time I'll also chop them. I like to chop them every day. Like this is how I set them. So yeah, this is like the fridge. Also, I'm on diet. This is my food. Okra. First time buying okra, and I don't know someone like eating it. Or how am I gonna cook it? Okay guys, thank you for watching. So now it's time for me to clean the station. Bye.